Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this eye look using the Jaclyn Hill Palette. The first color I'm going to go in with is this color right here. It is called Butter, and I'm going to blend that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the color Hunt and blend that slightly under my brow bone. Then I'm going to blend these two colors right here. It's Jacz and Chip, and I'm going to blend that into my crease and slightly onto the outer corner of my lid. Cut out that crease with some Shape Tape. Then dab Sissy where we cut out. Then I just sprayed a couple sprays of my Urban Decay setting spray on a pencil brush and took the color Enchanted and blended that on my bottom lower lash line. On top of that, I used the color Diva to give a little bit of shimmer. Finally, I used the color Faint and popped that in the corner of my eye. For lashes, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. For lips, I'm going to be using the Becca Chrissy Tegan Glow Lip Gloss in the color Peach Bum. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.